channel. My name is Tatiaunna. If you are new, welcome. Y'all, it is crunch time. I am about to do my makeup. I'm supposed to be at my friend's birthday dinner at 7 o'clock. It's 6:47. I just want to cut the camera on and I'm just gonna do this as fast as I possibly can. So this weekend we've been celebrating her. We went to the pool and then I had to hurry up and go by Ulta, as you can see, and grab me some lashes because I didn't think I had lashes, and turns out I had a freaking pair of lashes. I may add just a little bit of eyeshadow because I never use this palette. I don't even know if I touched it, but it's the Warrior by Juvia's and I believe it is black owned, but this is what it looks like. It's $6.49 and I am going to try to do my makeup in like 5-6 minutes. I think what I want to tackle first, I feel like I want to go ahead and just put my lashes on. I think. You know what? Let me not even freak out. Stuff falling. Hold on. My sister's falling. Hello, love.
Hey.
What's up?
I know that you're not. So are you officially retired from...
I was like, I'm just gonna cut my camera on, and you know, if you want to watch me try not to go into a frenzy trying to be on time, which I'm not gonna be, enjoy.
And no eyebrow pencil.
No eyebrow pencil and mother freaking sight. Get it to kind of melt, because when I'm rubbing it on my brows, it looks chalky and silly. But I could do the old school method of using dark eyeshadow.
You can do that. Like,
oh, it ain't hitting. Look, it's not hitting. I'm just gonna use black brown and just not make it so pigmented. Wait, let me see. Oh, we're in there. We're good.
okay.
Wipes forehead. I think I'm going to use the Amina color, this color right here, and just create like a little fruit. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Girl, I haven't worn eyeshadow since I did my video shoot that time for my business, and that was years ago.
Thank you again. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Alrighty. I love you. You be safe.
I love you too. I put way too much freaking concealer underneath my eyeball. And of course, I don't have nothing to wipe my face with. I got some receipt paper. I just need a nice glob of that to be gone. I was about to accidentally rub it on my outfit, Lord. It's so freaking bright. I might have to mix this. Wow. Yep, I'm gonna have to mix this, play around a little bit, add some foundation on top of it. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to take away from it, you know. Huge difference. Gloss. I did all this and now I have to blow my nose. The beauty of having braids right now is you're already good to go. I've really been liking wearing my hair up. It's really, really cute like this. Let me see, what did it look like with one of the curls? I think I'm digging it. I love a messy look. If you want to know how I did my hair, it is up right now on my channel and I will have it below in the description. Alright, we are all done. Alright, we are all done. I have to hurry up and get in the car and head out. It is 7:28. I really hope I'm not the last one there. I hope there's somebody else on the way or something by the time I get there. But yeah, this is it, y'all.